Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on my February Boxycharm. Of course, like always, I am going to try on each item in the box and let you know my thoughts. So let's just get right into this. If you hear someone in the background, it's because my niece is here. You know, just to let you know. My niece Jayla. Say hi.
Hi. Hola.
When I open the box, the first thing I see is a whole bunch of, items, products, but I also see this card. And the theme for this month is Afterglow. The first item I see is this right here. This is from Farmacy. It's called Clean B. It's a ultra gentle facial cleanser. I am not going to use this because my face is already clean. So I will leave my thoughts in the description below to tell you how I feel about this. The retail price is $22.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry if you hear a bunch of noise. My family's here. Okay, so it says it soothes and hydrates your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grim, and makeup. So I want to see how this smells because it says it has coconut, chamomile, I think aloe. It smells good, but it's strong.
This amazing thing.
Okay, so the next item, my niece picked out this right here. It says the No Poreblem primer. Retail price $18. I like the packaging. It's cute. It has a pump. That's good. And it's like a frosted glass. I think it's cute. It would look nice like on your vanity or something like that. It says it creates a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Sew No Poreblem primer. You know, like problem. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as a adhesive, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. It's pumping. Okay, I don't know how much I need, but oh my god, I should have zoomed you in, guys. Oh, this feels good. I put, I think, a little bit too much, so just a little bit of a pump would be good. Oh, that means this will last a long time. So it covers the pores, it fills in the pores. It feels so good on the skin. It says a velvet feel, and they are right about that. I need hydration, and my skin feels hydrated. It feels so nice. It looks good, and it feels good. So I finished doing my face, and now my niece is going to pick out another item in the box.
There's 3 items left.
I'm not looking what she's picking.
So we're gonna go in with highlight.
This is from Pretty Vulgar, the Shimmery Swan highlighter. The color is Glow Up 126. Retail price $32. So that's how the highlight looks. I don't know if you can see the color. I never know.
When it's down, it looks like
down like this, right?
Yeah, like that.
Just dipping in. In the camera, it looks really good. Like, wow, that's a highlight. Like, if you have any texture, yes, it's going to emphasize your texture. I think it's just too golden for me. In the summer, this will look good. Since in the summer, I'll get more tan, it will look good on my skin. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, that is beautiful. I can't. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
So, we got the mascara.
The mascara that I am so excited for. But I did have this mascara, but it was a mini mascara, so I'm so excited that I'm receiving it now. So this is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Retail price $24. I mean, everybody knows about this mascara. This mascara is like
on the top.
Yes. And then I'm gonna use this bad boy. Ooh. Look at the difference. It looks beautiful. My thoughts on this mascara, freaking loving it. It makes my lashes look so good, and you can apply it 1 time, 2, 3, and it still makes your lashes look good and not nasty. It makes it look nice, and it lengthens my lashes. And I like how you hear the click, so you know it's closed. Okay, last item in the box is this right here. Trestique. Hopefully I'm not butchering the name. Trestique. It says the Prime Plus Glaze Lip Crayon. Retail price $25. 2-in-1 lip duo, a smoothing primer on one side and a shiny colored glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a lip balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The lip color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft shiny color. This is the primer. Look at how cute this is. And then this is the lip glaze crayon.
It has a weird shape to it.
Yeah, it is a weird shape. Like, how am I supposed to outline my lips with this? What I like about this is, look at it. Magnetic. How awesome is that? Okay, my thoughts on this, I like it. I thought I wasn't gonna like the color. In person, it doesn't look so dark, but on camera, it looks darker. Since it has like a weird shape to it, I thought it was going to be hard to outline my lips, but it was not. I feel like the reason why it was so easy because the primer made it easy and soft to go over. Okay, so this month's overall price is $121, okay? And of course, I only spent $21 for this box. That always gets me. My overall review on the items. The cleanser, I have nothing to say yet because I have not used it. So when I do use it, I will leave my opinion in the description down below, so look out for that. The items that I did use, the ones that I'm excited for, like, yes, this mascara. I'm so excited I received this because I needed to buy this mascara again, but thank God I waited because, you know, I got it. So what I'm trying to say is I'm freaking excited and happy I received it. The primer, I was scared because I'm not big on primer. The way this made my skin felt so good, and it hydrated my skin, and it made it feel like all velvety and nice. So this would definitely be in my makeup routine. Thank you for this. And I feel like it will last long because all you need is a little pump and that's it. Do you see this beaming highlight? Like, ooh, yes, honey. I like the highlight, but I feel like this would look nice on me more in the summer when I have a tan, you know, go into the sun and get that nice beautiful tan. Right now, I feel like since I'm fair, it's just a little bit too dark for my skin right now. So I can use this only if I use a light hand. So summer would be a good use for this. This item, I was kind of like, I wasn't excited for it. Like, I just really didn't care for it, but it makes my lips feel so good because of the primer. That's this little thing right here. Like, look how cute this is, how adorable. This primer makes my lips feel so soft, and even this right here gives it a nice shine to it, but it feels like a lip balm, and I just love this. Like a magnet. So cool. Yes, so satisfying. So I'm liking this. Overall, I'm liking this whole box. Every item I received except the cleanser, but the ones I did use, I'm liking all of it. I have no complaints about it. I want to thank my niece for helping me with this video. She made it very interesting. This is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give my video a what?
Thumbs up.
And do what?
Subscribe down below.
Yes.
And turn on the notification bell. You'll be notified every time she posts a video.
What she said. Please do it. So yeah, if you receive Boxycharm, let me know down below which items you receive, which ones you like, which ones you dislike. If you don't receive Boxycharm and you want to receive Boxycharm, I will leave the link down below in my description box, so look out for that. And with that being said, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day.
And you're gonna put how you feel about this.
Oh yeah, and remember, I will be saying my opinion on this cleanser, so look out for that as well. So with that being said, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Toodaloos.
Cramp in my foot.
You said cramp in your butt.
I said cramp in my foot. Hello. You give me laugh.
Oh Lord Jesus.
Oh,
Everybody about this.